My name's Cathy from 123Vietnamese.com. Welcome to Lesson 8. Go shopping. Hi Tony, what do you want to do today?
Do you want to go shopping? I need a new suit for work.
Of course, I love to go shopping. I know a big market with large clothes shops.
Okay, let's go.
Xin chào.
Bạn muốn gì?
Để tôi xem đã.
Vâng,
Let's look around the shop, Tony.
When the shop assistant asked you, "What do you want?" you said, "There." Tôi xem đã. What does that mean?
Để tôi xem đã. It means to have a look. Xem means to look.
That's interesting. So, by saying there, tôi xem đã, you told the assistant you want to look around.
Yes, here are the shop sections. Is there anything you like?
Cái này rất tốt.
Yes, that's a nice shirt. The new word here is shirt. Shirt in Vietnamese is áo sơ mi. Áo sơ mi.
Áo sơ mi. I'll try it on, but I think it's okay. How would I ask? Can I try it on?
Tôi có thể thử không? It means can I try it on? Có thể is a verb and it means may or can. It's used when you want to ask for permissions. Thử means to try.
Okay, I'll keep it in my mind.
So, tôi có thể thử không means I can try or can I try it on? You can go to the assistant and ask, xin lỗi, tôi có thể thử không? Xin lỗi mean excuse me. You can use this word when you need someone's attention. Xin lỗi.
Xin lỗi.
vâng,
Tôi có thể thử không?
vâng,
This is a bit small. Medium size usually fits me perfectly, but this one is too small for me.
That's because the Vietnamese style is a bit smaller than US and European size. You might try a larger one. Xin lỗi, cái này quá bé.
cái này to.
Cảm ơn. Here's Tony, try this chart.
Okay, what did you say there?
I say that this one is too small. Quá means too or very. Bé is word for small. Quá bé, it means too small, and I say xin lỗi, cái này quá bé. Xin lỗi, excuse me, cái này, this one, quá bé, too small. So, xin lỗi, cái này quá bé means excuse me, this one is too small.
And she said, Cái này to. I know Cái này is for this one. What does to mean?
To means big. To. So, she says, cái này to means this one is big.
Okay, what do you think? This size fits perfectly now.
Yes, that just looks good. Bạn muốn áo sơ mi này không?
Muốn?
Xin lỗi, cái này bao nhiêu tiền?
300.000.
Đắt quá.
200.000.
Tốt. Okay, Tony, do you want to buy it?
That's a very good price.
Cảm ơn.
Come on, that is good. Do you want to teach me what you said?
Bao nhiêu tiền? That are how much. Bao nhiêu is how many. Tiền is money. So, bao nhiêu tiền is how many money. This is how to ask how much something costs.
Okay, then she answered, Ba trăm nghìn. I know ba is 3. What does trăm yin means?
Trăm means 100. Trăm nghìn means thousands. So, 300.000 means 300,000.
Okay,
Then I said, đắt quá. Đắt is expensive. Đắt, and you already know, quá is too or very.
I already know. Qua is too or very. So that qua is too expensive.
So then she said, 200.000, which means 200,000.
Okay, I know.
That's a good price. So I said, tốt, which means good. In this case, that means I agree with that price.
Okay, can we bargain with everything in Vietnam?
Yes, in most places we should not accept the first price. Bargaining is possible in almost markets and stores. However, big shopping centers and department stores have a fixed price, and bargaining is not necessary in those places.
I would have to study more Vietnamese numbers if I want to improve my bargaining skill.
Yes, I will teach you soon.